Hello viewers, this is a tutorial on how to automate dislike on YouTube using Socinator. If there are videos you want to dislike on YouTube, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your YouTube account and hit Go to Tools. This will take you to the Account Configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on YouTube through Socinator. Let's click Dislike. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to dislike a number of videos within a period of time while narrowing them down in the process. There are several configuration categories for dislike activity. Let's start with the first one, Search Query. As the name suggests, Search Query allows you to command the software on how to search targeted videos to dislike. There are two important sections, Query Type and Query. Query Type defines how you want to search the video. You can select the query type by clicking the drop-down button. Once you have chosen your query type, enter the query either manually by typing in this area, or you may click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. When you're done, click the Add Queries to the List button and it will be added to the queries list over here. To show you how this works, let's test each query type. For keywords, let's say you're not into pranks, for example. Let's type prank, then click Add. So this will target videos containing this keyword and dislike them. Next, we have custom URLs. For this one, we need a specific YouTube URL. Let's say you want to dislike this video, for example. Click Share, then copy link. Paste the video URL in the query box, click Add. So this will target this specific YouTube video and dislike it. Finally, we have custom channel. For this one, we need a specific YouTube channel. Let's say you're not a fan of clowns and you want to dislike the videos in this channel. Let's copy the channel URL here. Paste it in the query box, then click Add. So this will target the videos on this YouTube channel and dislike them. You can add several query types and queries depending on your preferences. If you want to delete a query from the list, simply click the trash bin button on the right side of the query you want to remove. Let's say you want to delete the third one, click it, and it's gone. The next configuration category is Job Configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should dislike videos. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 8, medium with 20, fast with 83, or super fast with 333. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each video is disliked. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after disliking the number of videos you set in dislikes per job. Dislikes per job will allow you to specify the number of videos to dislike per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of videos to dislike per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of maximum dislikes per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep disliking videos even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure. Monday, for example, provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. and click Add Interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click Add Interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking Create Favorite. Let's call it YouTube Dislike. Click Save. We can then open it by clicking Select Favorite Time and choosing YouTube Dislike. The next tool is Channel Filter. This allows us to filter the YouTube channels that contain the videos we want to dislike. Check the first one to specify how many subscribers the channel should have. Check the second one to specify the total number of views of the channel's videos. Next, we have words or phrases that should be in the channel title. Let's say prank, for example. You may clear using the clear all button and it's gone. You may also click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file, then click open. When you're done, click save. Next, we have words or phrases that should be in the channel description. Let's type the same word, prank. Again, you may clear or import using these buttons, and when you're done, click save. Next, we have words or phrases that should not be in the title, and words and phrases that should not be in the description. Type the words that you want to filter. Again, you may clear or import using these buttons, and when you're done, click save. Next, we have manage blacklisted users. Blacklisted users are the YouTube accounts you do not want Socinator to interact with. In this case, Socinator will not dislike the videos of blacklisted users when this box is checked. So this can either be a private blacklist, which belongs to a specific YouTube account, or a group blacklist, which is shared between all the accounts you add. Finally, the last tool is Video Filter. This allows us to filter the videos we want to dislike on YouTube. Check the first one to specify the view count of the video. Next is the number of comments, then the number of likes and dislikes. Next, you can specify how long the video is in seconds. Then we have words or phrases that should be in the title and words and phrases that should be in the description. So let's say you want to target prank videos. So let's type prank for both. Again, you may clear or import using these buttons, and when you're done, click save. Finally, we have words or phrases that should not be in the title and words or phrases that should not be in the description. If there are words you want to filter, simply type them in these areas. Again, you may clear or import using these buttons, and when you're done, click save. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start disliking videos on YouTube, let's scroll up and click save. Success. After saving, let's click the status button to make it active. Now that it's active, let me show you another option in automating dislike on YouTube using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the social drop-down button and select YouTube. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Engage tab and select Dislike on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it YouTube Dislike. For search query, let's select keywords as our query type. Then let's type prank in the query box. Click Add. For job configuration, let's select slow. For video filter, title should contain the word prank. Click Save. For channel filter, it's up to you. Then let's keep blacklisted users private blacklist. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, select account or accounts. In this part, you can select multiple YouTube accounts. Since you only have one account right now, let's go with that by checking the box. Then click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. If you want to proceed, click your account and the Save button. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our YouTube Dislike campaign. Click the Status button to pause the campaign, and the Action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.